Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 6 of our live stream, 16th December, Monday, US markets. And we're going to start with the pre market research. First thing we do is we take a look at Wall Street breakfast as usual. Now, the first thing we look at is a market summary for the day, which says stocks across the globe are going green again as investors digest the phase 1 trade deal. Now, the deal is not signed yet, it's just that they've discussed the terms. Deal is gonna get signed first week of December, first week after Christmas of the new year, which is after Christmas. But there's also one more thing, which is regarding the Brexit, which is gonna he needs the Prime Minister of UK, he needs it before Christmas. So that's why the markets are up. Also, they're expecting nearly double US exports to China over the next 2 years. That's a good news for the economy and for the markets as well. And you can see the futures are higher. They are over the highs actually. The S&P futures and the triple Q futures, they're over the highs. Next thing we're gonna do is take a look at the news now. What's in the US China trade deal? It's gonna be 200 billion dollars worth of American made goods, which China is going to buy. And they're also thinking about, they said to crack down on intellectual property theft and forced technology transfers. Okay, this is again they are agreeing to the US terms. It also suspended tariffs, so that's a good news for the market. That's why it's up. Okay, next thing is Scottish referendum ruled out. This doesn't affect. It might affect, but this doesn't affect our day trading as much. This news, so I'll just pass on it. Now, this is Mexico is protesting the call for up to 5 US attaches in Mexico to track the enforcement of its labor laws and ensure compliance with the new USMC. So if there's any labor thing we're trading, then it's gonna affect that. Otherwise, we don't have anything. Now the next thing is Boeing. It's down 4%. I can see on my chart on other screen over here. Actually, when you click the chart, it goes away. Boeing. It's down 4%. They're gonna stop the production. It's over the deadline, so it's down. They don't have the whatever they said, the FFA recertification for that jet which crashed, like the Lion Airlines and the Ethiopian Airlines, both crashed the same flight. 737 Max. That's why it's down, and it is halting production. That's the main reason. If there was just a news, it might have gone down and then went up, but they're halting production, so we never know what's gonna happen. Let's see what it gives us in the real time, and then we're gonna trade it like that. Growing investor interest in space. Now all these are those stocks which are related to the space industry. So I've checked them earlier. There's no significant change in any of the stock, so it doesn't matter. Now German car industry want Hawaii. Now both of them aren't on a stock market to trade the stocks. So again, it's I'm gonna pass on it. Then DD is DuPont Nutrition Unit to merge with IFF. Okay, that's something which has a significant change on good volume. So this merger, how it is different from other buyouts, because usually buyouts behave like this sideways, but this is not behaving sideways. Even if you take a look at IFF, it's not sideways, it's down. But after the market opens and if it starts behaving sideways, we're gonna just pass on it. We're not gonna trade it. But if it gives us any move, then we might trade it. Okay. CTV, I checked, there is nothing significant there. Frozen 2 skates past the $1 billion mark. This is a Disney's movie which came down lately. Nothing significant on Disney. It might be uptrending. It is uptrending. Disney is a blue chip stock. I stay away mostly from blue chips. I stay away from Disney as well. Let's see what happens. But this is not significant for me. The number which it is up is not significant for me. No deal at COP 25. This is regarding UN. This is regarding climate again, climate change. I don't think it's gonna make any significant changes on our stocks. German manufacturing slump depends again. Okay, electric bikes, food deal, Uber 6 path to profitability. Now Uber might be up on that news. Yeah, it's up 2.1%. We can consider it on our watch list. But again, it's a recently IPO'd stock. Let's see what it gives us. You have Brazil. This is a dual traded stock, Whale. It is right, if I'm not wrong. Good morning, Kronal, on YouTube live stream. Yeah, it's a dual traded stock. I don't trade dual traded stocks. Then we have PCG. The California governor rejects PCG bankruptcy plan. Bankruptcy PCG. Oh, it's down 22%. Be careful, be careful. Stocks which gap around these numbers, they are most likely to do the opposite. Morning, Stephen. Most likely to do the opposite of what they're supposed to do. Be careful. And it's a Monday. Now we have Japanese markets up. Then Hong Kong, sorry, Japanese markets are down 0.3, Hong Kong market is down 0.7, Chinese market is up 0.6, and Indian market is down 0.2. London market is up 2%. Wow. Paris is up 0.8, Frankfurt is up 0.5. So 1, 2, 3 markets down and 3 markets up, and our futures are up because of the news regarding China, US China trade deal. And these are the economic calendar, economic events for the day, which is Empire State Manufacturing Survey, PMI Composite Flash, and NHP Housing Market Index. Now this one affects the market, okay? Housing Market Index. Morning, Tennessee. This one affects the housing market. So be careful around 10. Be careful around 10. Now it's at the market close, Treasury International Capital. I don't trade during that time, so don't care about it. Okay, now let's move to on the move. Now before we move to on the move, let's see what our platform has to give us. Okay, I'm gonna start checking now. It's gonna give us IFF, adding IFF to the watch list. Then we have Boeing. We've already taken a look at Boeing. I'm gonna add Boeing. Then what else? What's BCS? BCS is Barclays. Barclays is, it's a dual traded stock. I don't trade dual traded stocks. PTI. It's also dual traded stock. I don't trade these either. Then we have DuPont. DuPont, we read the news. It's up 2.8%. Look at the daily. Daily seems to be downtrending. Yeah, I can consider it as a pick. Doesn't matter. Hi, Stallion. Then we have GSK up 2.8%, but GSK, it's a dual traded stock again. I don't trade those either. Okay, we have TNA. It's an exchange. It's kind of an ETF. And we have AZN up to 0.5%. Dual traded stock. How many dual traded stocks today? We have CHL then. It's up 1.5%. Dual traded stock. China Mobile. We have UNVR. No significant change, just volume right there. Then we have WVE. Wave Life Sciences. Whoa. Down 52%. That's too much. It's really 1750 support right there, 1780. I'm gonna be careful about this, guys. It's down way too much. Then we have GOSS. Again, this is again down 28%. Wow. There's a support around here. 17. What's this? 1730, 17, yeah, 1680, 1750 level. There's a support, and it's also uptrending pre-market. But I'm gonna add it to the list as it is a gap down. Then we have BGNE. Now this stock, if you look at the daily it was supposed to go down, but it's down 6.3%. It broke this point where it gapped up, so it might close the gap, which comes down to 138. So let's be careful about this one. It's a big stock, it is a big mover, it's not down much. I mean, it is down enough, but still, let's be careful about this. BGNE. Then we have BZUN. It's down 2.9%. It was a gap down few days back. I had a good trade here, very good trade here. Steven, do you remember this trade? Yes, Steven.
What trade was that again?
BZUN. We had a free fall.
Yeah, that was brilliant.
That was a
day.
30. That was a 30-cent stop loss. I still remember, and it gave us 1.5 on the first partial.
Yeah.
On this day.
Brilliant. Great day.
Yeah. So here we see that 33, 80, 34 and 34, 35. This number around is a support kind of numbers. Again here, yeah, it bounced up from 33. So let's be careful about it. If it goes there and if you're about to short it there. Then we have YNDX. YNDX was down pre-market, but it's about to close the gap. The daily is amazing. It's around the all-time highs, which is 44, 45 around. Yeah, what's the all-time highs? Yeah, it's right there. Let's see. It is a good thing. I'll add it to the list. Okay. Then we have AXSM. Whoa, up 83%. Around a million shares. What's this? Again, bio stocks. These therapeutics, pharma stocks. You never know what they're going to do. Perfect breakout setup here, but this breakout, no one could have anticipated this one. This is good. This is going to be the Sage. Sage was actually a gap down. Then we have MIRM. Pharmaceutical recently IPO'd, up 54%. Beginners should not trade this stock at all. It's not recommended. Then we have BMRN. Wow, 6.5%. Pharmaceuticals again, good enough daily for a long. What the level says? Yeah, years 87 years. 85. Yeah, it's kind of a resistance over there. 86. I'm gonna add it to the list. And we have AMRN. What?
Yeah, it sold off pre-market after it some good news. I think it was cardiovascular.
Oh, phase 3? Phase 2?
Yeah, phase 3 I think it was.
Phase 3, really?
Double check. Yeah, I'll double check. It had a good day on Friday as well, as far as I remember.
I remember the stock having a good day since a month.
Yeah.
It's up.
Let's just take a look.
Actually, since last
year. It's very weak pre-market though.
Yeah, but you never know. But it's more. It's enough volume for it. I mean, let's see what it does. It can be the weave thing which gapped up and closed the gap and continued down. Let's see. Then we have WDC, it's up 4.3%. The daily is in the long term, it's, I mean, for a year or so, it's okay, but from the long term point of view, it's down. But it had few good days. It's up 4.3. It's this gap. It could go into this gap. The closing is 62. Here its opening is 57. Yeah, it's around a good number. I like it. WDC. Then we have another pharmaceutical stock, HZNP, up 5.4% around the all-time highs, 36.46. Oh, HZNP. What's MU doing?
Does MU
I
have earnings this week? I think.
I like what I see on the pre-market, also on the daily. It broke this resistance. It might be a good long.
Yeah, in
Let's
two
add
days'
it to the
time.
list. What?
MU has earnings in 2 days' time.
Yeah, so it might go up.
Yeah, yeah,
Then we
well
have
beforehand.
ATNX. ATNX. I think this is buyout. This is the buyout, usual buyout behavior, sideways. We have SRPT. What's SRP? What's wrong with SRPT? Gapping up, gapping down. Anyway, let's just add it to the list. It's up 3% today. It's not at least wild. We have once. Is this a buyout? Did you check it?
XRPT
No, no, once. Looks like a
once.
buyout to me. From what's happening with it? Let's see. We are close to market open. So let's just add it to the list. And we're gonna take a look at the news. What else we have? CLVS 1.2%. This stock has been rocking for days now. This that was a pullback day over there, so it might go up. Let's add it to the list. Okay, now we're gonna start with the news. So Intel. I'm gonna shift this to my another screen, the Seeking Alpha, and I'm gonna just check the stocks and the news. Intel, no significant change. NK down 8%, but the stock is under $10, not of any use to me. Then we have ATNX. It expands its strategic partnership with Xiang something, some Chinese company. Okay, ATNX up 2.7. I don't like it, the behavior. WW is up 5% on Opera confidence. Oh, WW, yeah, 40 looks good. Up 3.2. I'm gonna add it. Then the next thing we have is ACAD up 1.7, gets a new bull, shares up 2%. Established standard of care in Parkinson's disease psychosis. It's not enough. It's not enough for me to consider it. BGNE is down 9%. Now BGNE, where's BGNE? Yeah, it's down 6.3 here. We have the news. It's down from phase 3 result. Wow, that's gonna be very good. Okay, it's saying related tickers JNJ and ABBV. Nothing significant. We have Hexo. Again, it's under $10. I don't like it. We have MVIS. No, this is penny. We have Guild on the news. No, not significant change. We have W, which is down 2.7, and the daily is pathetic so far. And if it breaks this level, 87 level, it's gonna be a disaster, I think. Let's add it to the list. Okay, WDC leaves. Susquehanna leaves. WDC sidelines on 5G build. Okay, it's up, it's up. CAT again, BTI own VOCRL, WVE. Yeah, I picked this one earlier. It's down 59% on exit from DMD, which is Duchenne muscular dystrophy in patients. That's a bad thing. MU is uplifted on memory tailwinds. Yeah, Morgan Stanley uplifted the target on it. GOS GOSS is down 30%. Light volume in reaction to Novartis decision to terminate development of DP2. You cannot understand this news. You just have to do what you see. Boeing is down on production decisions. BHC was the long we missed that day, right, Steven?
Yeah, it was BHC.
Yeah, and it's going down now. I don't think I'll be trading this one. It's very strong on the daily. I won't be trading. AXSM up 56% on positive data. Now that data is phase 3 again. That's really good one. Okay, we're done with the news. I'm done with the watch list. I'm gonna post my watch list on my Instagram page. You know, it's surprising. I mean, the volume and everything right now, the moments in the market. Steven, did you notice this last year? Hello? Steven, you there? Steven is not there. Daniel, you there?
Yeah, morning, AJ. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Good weekend?
Yeah, very long weekend. I mean, so Daniel, you're trading since 2 years, and do you find anything surprising this day if you compare it
Yeah,
to last 2 years?
yeah. Last year, I think it was a lot quieter this time. Market, I think it's like the way where the markets are positioned. Breaking out, volumes coming in at the last minute. Last year was really quiet compared to this year, I think.
Hmm. Hmm.
This time last year, I remember I was just sitting in front of my computer, not having anything to trade, just watching it go along. This year, there's plenty to trade every day in December.
Yeah, there's a lot. There are a lot of things. I mean,
I think it's just where the market's up. Good breakout point.
Good morning, good afternoon, good
hey
Morning,
evening.
mate.
Theo, how are you?
I'm good, man. How are you guys?
Very good. Be careful, guys. Okay, it's a Monday.
Yes,
You
sir.
trading today, Theo?
Oh yeah, I'm trading today. Okay. Man, how do y'all feel about AXSM? It's I think it's up way too much.
Uh,
I'm gonna watch you,
AXSM
but
AXSM is not a buyout PT. Good morning. It's up on phase 3. Phase 3 trial.
Yeah, that's what I was reading. Are you thinking about trading it though? Or
Let's see what it does. You know, we never make opinions about the market.
oh yeah,
We always trade what we see.
yeah. I'm excited for Boeing.
don't get excited.
You're right. I'll control myself.
Watch list is up on Instagram. Now I need to start sharing the watch list in Discord. I forget that. So Steven, if you're up there, where do you want me to post the watch list? In general or alerts?
I think Steven's muted.
Steven, I cannot hear you.
He's on mute.
Okay, I'll post it in general anyway. Pre-market list 16th December 2019. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Sorry, I had to leave and come back in there. I don't know what happened.
If you stay quiet for a while or mute, then it creates a problem. I guess.
Oh, does it? Oh,
Maybe. What is your Instagram name? You can find the Instagram in the link in the description, but I'll share it again in the chat. No problem. That's the Instagram. This is the Discord where you can hear me without the latency. How many of you trade full time? Nobody trades full time except Steven. Not even me.
I also do forex.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
swing
yeah.
trade
He
for
does
forex.
forex. He does forex. Okay, so PCG. Then I'm gonna add Boeing here. Then on my next screen, I'm gonna go with AMRN and BGNE. Also on one of my charts, I'm gonna go with WDC and BZUN. Boeing. It's down to 327. Wow, what a support over there. I'm definitely going to trade Boeing today. I mean, if it gives me a trade. Markets open. Oh, my charts are stuck. Oh, finally. Daniel, there's a lot of background noise on your end.
What about now?
Now, no. Looking at AMRN, there's no pullback. BGNE, there's
BA.
no pullback. BA, there's no pullback, Theo. This is a
Okay.
Monday. Yeah, PCG, now I see a pullback, but I cannot do anything now. AMRN, now I see a pullback. BZUN,
IFF.
it's IFF. It's behaving so far. It's behaving like a buyout. It's a buyout actually. Let's see. It's a merger. It's not a buyout. WVE. Yeah, WVE
Watch
looks nice. Under
MU here.
20, but the stop loss is 1.6 MU. Yeah, I like MU.
Hopefully it'll close under 53.
I'm not gonna take WVE. I like WDC over 56.50.
IFF under the lows.
MU over 53.10.
3. Yeah.
Boeing under 328.
Dang, what I get to? 533.
Boeing, the stop loss is 2. Okay, I'm gonna go long. I clicked the button
MU
already.
long.
Yeah, I'm long MU. I'm gonna go long WDC
Oh,
over
nice.
56.50 on the bid. 56.50 on the bid. Stop loss is 56 on WDC. Boeing actually, the stop loss is how much? 2 points. So I'm gonna go 300 shares. Actually, I can go 800 shares. MU, don't get out on spike. Wait for the lows. Don't get out on spike. Wait till 50
Oh,
to
Goss.
50. Loss. Yeah, I like it right here under 1745. Stop loss is not
Ooh.
much. Oh, I missed it, man. Shit. If it pulls back to 40, I'm gonna take it. If it pulls back to 40.
Nice.
I mean, right now. If it doesn't, then I'm done.
Oh, PCG under 9.
PCG. Yeah, I like it. 35 cents stop loss. MU working.
Yes, good pull.
How much was the stop loss, Steven? Like 40
I
cents.
was saying, yeah,
40
I'd take a
cents.
partial, 53.30ish.
53.30, yeah. I'm looking at this one, WDC.
Stop for MU is now 52.70 though. I'm not gonna let it get below the low day.
Yeah, same for me. Long, WDC.
Oh, nice. Nice. I missed one too.
I missed Gauss, man. It was nice. Very nice. Boeing. I'm gonna take some size here under 329. Then I might add under 328. WDC, come on.
Oh, wow. Dang. IFF is looking pretty good. Or kind of just triggered, actually.
I think I should leave it alone. MU, don't do that, man. Even WDC is pulling back. I like BZUN under 3380, stop loss 34.
BA under 329.
Short BZUN. WDC, no, don't do that.
Ooh, WVE under 1870-ish.
Yep, I like it. No, under 1880 itself.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a stop limit because I think I might miss it. It's spready. Stop loss will be 20. It's not tradable. This WE is not tradable.
WVE isn't tradable.
WDC, wait for 56, guys. Boeing,
I'll be looking to
yeah,
get out of MU.
under the lows. BZUN, come on. My stop loss was just 20 cents, and it's giving me more. It's the stock is always giving you more. Any pullback, I'm gonna cover. Any pullback, I'm gonna cover it. Nice. Go down. Go down. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Okay, don't break 36. Don't break 36. Nice. Very nice. Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. What a trade in BZUN. What a trade. I'm out. I'm out of BZUN. WDC, look for that reversal over 56.30. I'm gonna add. Stop loss still is 56. I'm added. BZUN, I'm all out. You got PLCE. Okay. What's PCG doing? Whoa, I like it here under
Oh, it's starting to
925.
come down.
Yeah, I like
923.
it here. I'm gonna short it under 925. Stop loss 940, 950. Okay, I see the number of sellers increasing, number of buyers decreasing. Short. Short PCG. WDC is up. MU is still there. Boeing, no trigger yet.
All right, WDC.
Shorting Boeing right now, Zizo. You should wait for the support break. At least 329.50. PCG will be stopped out over 940. MU doing nice. I want to add to MU over 53. What about you, Steven?
Yeah, I'll be
Um,
adding.
I'm not gonna add to it. It's looking kind of weak to me at the moment.
MU?
Unless it gives me a better
No,
setup.
it looks nice. That's the setup for me. I'm gonna add to it. PCG heading for stop loss.
Yeah. Dang.
WDC
Oh, Goss
now.
looks good again.
Goss, really? Not right now, Theo. Not right now.
Okay.
1640, yes. Yeah, it's
keep-
it's it's actually a risky trade, and I'm gonna take it under 1640. I like it, but I'm not gonna miss the add on MU. I'll be stopped out of PCG over 940.
I'm about to take WDC off. Dang, I should
My
have took it
average
off.
price on WDC is 50. My stop loss is about 50 cents. I need at least 56.90 or so. I
Mm.
can reduce size, but I'll see. I think it has the strength, it has the volume, so I'm not gonna do anything with it right now. Saved in PCG. MU, come on, MU. Number of look at the time in sales. Look at the time in sales. It's printing the ask. Printing the ask. Number of buyers increasing. Number of buyers increasing. I'm short.
Yeah,
I'm short GOSS. WDC, come on, give me 90. 56.90.
I'm about to get out of PCG.
Yeah, if it breaks 40, I'll be out as well.
Oh,
I'm out.
okay, here goes
Added,
MU.
added to MU. I want to see the volume over 53. That's why I was waiting for a bit. I like it. I need to see 20 to 30 cents over there. Okay, come on, WDC, go to 90.
Goss is just still.
Yeah, it's still.
It doesn't look good.
Yeah, I want to see 90 on ask or bid anything on
Oh.
WDC. I see that 90, I'll be just getting out. MU 53,
Yeah.
20 over the highs, anything over the highs should be our target. New stop loss. Actually, we can take our target here itself. Goss is good. Goss is good. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm out of WDC, and I'll
Nice.
be out of Goss. My stop loss is not more than 20. I have around 20. Any pullback,
Yeah.
I'll be out of Goss, and I'll be out of MU. I'm out of MU. Stop loss, new stop loss is 20. And just a sec in Goss. If it breaks down, okay. If not, I'm gonna get out. Nice,
MU's
I'm out.
good.
I'm out of all trades, guys. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, me too. I'm done for the day.
I'm
Yeah,
still in MU.
I'm done
I took
for
a
the day.
partial though.
No, I'm out. And that's my PNL. I'm up 2,897 for the day in
Ooh,
11 minutes.
Nice
come
one.
on.
Yeah, that's it. I'm done. Oh, AXSM PT, look at it. I mean, just look at it. It's downtrending right from open.
Gosh, dang. That was good. What a nice
Yeah,
day.
best days. I mean, best Monday for a December.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
best
Yeah,
Monday.
it's
for real.
best one in a
Not only
long
is
time.
it the best Monday, but it's one of my best days.
You're up. How
SMU
much?
53.
Yeah, I'm up
Oh,
$61.
no, very nice. You're up. Then you're risk unit. Daniel, what about you?
Hold on, I'll be with you in a sec.
Okay. Whoa, what a day. PCG, why didn't you do good to me? That was the same setup I take every day. Wow, and I look at WDC.
Yeah, wow. Gosh dang.
But anyway, happy with whatever I got. I got what I risked. That's it. I'm up $1,500 on WDC, guys. I'm up 1390 on BZU and
IQ, I traded Goss, IFF,
where's
PCG, and
Goss? Where's
WDC.
Goss? Oh, sorry. Where's IQ? Where's IQ speaking?
Oh, he
Yeah, the general chat.
In
in
the
the general
general
chat.
chat. Let me look at the general chat. Okay.
Yeah,
What
so
do-
Goss was my big winner because I took it under I think like 1640, 1635
Yeah, that's where I
for
took
like
it.
a 20 stop loss, and it gave me a lot more.
Oh
Anyone
man.
still in MU? I'm putting a range order in or a final stop under 53 and target is 70.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
You took MU,
Oh, nice.
nice.
Yeah, I wanted to take MU, but I missed it.
Steven,
I should have
you
taken it
see, do
again.
you see why I added to MU?
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. To be honest, I wasn't comfortable with it, how easily it just kept, when
Now,
it got to the
now,
highs, it
now,
kept selling
now,
off and
now,
off.
everyone just listen. It's not because of the VWAP or anything. I don't, I don't use the VWAP anyway. So look at this. Look at this candle here. Now I'm gonna explain it in a big chart. Okay. Look at this candle here. Now we decided we're gonna have a stop loss under the lows. Then it didn't break it. Then it created another support. Then it created another. Then it created another support. Now here's a resistance of 52.98 highs, which is around 53, the whole number. This is again 52.94, which is 53. This is 53 exactly. This is 52.99. Now if you look, when it gave a pullback, when it came around the support, it decreased. The volume was initially increasing, but it decreased. But then there started again increasing volume when it started going towards the highs. That's the point I was looking for in volume, and that's why I waited for the break of 53 and looked at the volume. From that's where I added to it. This was my ad MU 940. Where's the ad? Okay, 940, 45, 5306. I got I mean, let's say I got filled 6 cents over, but that's okay. That was my ad, and I sold MU at 19, so that's still a 15-cent gain on the ad, which was my stop loss was 20, so that's relatable. That was perfect, man. Perfect trade. And the best trade of the day was BZUN. Best trade of the day. I took the reversal under 50, 33, sorry, 33.80, which was slightly above the lows. I got filled at 33.71. Doesn't matter. This was kind of a low volume thing for me, but my kind of setup. I do this every time. And here I shorted it at 935, which was this candle under the break of 33.80. I got filled at 33.71. If you're able to look at it, I'll just show it to you. This was the fill. My stop loss, see the resistance here is 33.95, 33.91, 33.95, 33.93. Now the best thing to do is, if it's around a whole number, you should use a whole number for it. The stop loss should be cents above whole number. Now the stop loss was right here over 34, and it was 20-cent stop loss, not according to the fill. Now no matter what, respect your stop loss and target apart from your fill, irrespective of what fill you get. Shorted here, I was risking 20 cents, but I got like, where did I cover it? I covered it 36, I got like 35. I mean, it's 45, but if you just count what you got, it's 35. Still, it's good for a 20-cent risk anyway. Now, Zizo, you were shorting Boeing. I told you not to short it before 329.50 or at least 329. You shorted it a bit earlier. Maybe if you shorted it. I saw the resistance, but I did not see the entry. I mean, the breach of my support to get the entry there on Boeing. Emi was a perfect trade. Yeah, thank you, Zizo. I was going to short Boeing. I was going to see when I decided I was going to short it. Initially, I had an entry under, I guess it was 328. Yeah, after this point. Yeah, when this candle was red, after this pullback, this candle was red. I decided to take it under 328. Later on, I decided to take it under 329 some size and then add under 328, but it never did that, so I left it alone. Now Boeing is a stock, it's a famous company. Even though there's bad news, it's a famous company, so there are people who are going to buy it. If you look at the daily, just take a look. I mean, it's not that bad. If you look at it as a long term, it's not that bad. It's a really good performer as a stock. So people think that this is just temporary and they get a discount. Now, what kind of discount they got on Boeing? How much it was down? Steven, do you remember?
At the market open,
Yeah,
it was like in and around 3%, I think.
yeah. So
Maybe a little less.
they're getting a 3% discount from yesterday's price, and it's like that's a stock which breached 400 like this year. So they're getting a lot of discount on that per share. So that's the
Boeing
reason. Yeah.
Boeing's owned by like 80 to 90% of all institutions, so like they're not gonna just let that happen as
I
well.
have seen this stock. I started my trading career in 2015. So I have seen this stock climb a lot. It was around 100 or something. See here, 120, 150 when I started my trading. So 2015 September. This is the time
Yeah.
I started trading. Yeah, this was the day actually, 9/1, 1st of September 2015. So from that point, I'm looking at this stock and it's just climbing. If there was no crash or if there was no bad news, I bet you this stock would have crossed 700, 800 by now. Same goes for Netflix. I still hold 10 shares of Netflix at the price of 84. I still hold them. Not on this account, of course. It was way back. I mean, I think it was 16, yeah, maybe 2016, somewhere around. I don't remember the date I purchased it. The same goes for Netflix. I've seen this stock climb a lot. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. If you're interested in, I mean, chatting with us after trading session, you can join the Discord, and there's the after market chat channel where everyone can speak. We discuss things like if anyone wants anything, if anyone doesn't know anything, if he asks a question, and everything is absolutely free at this moment. No subscription, no, we don't sell any videos or nothing. So you can just visit us. Steven, can you post the link in the YouTube stream? Or I'll do
Yeah.
it. I'll do it.
Yeah. There you go.
I'll just do it the Discord in the YouTube stream. BZUN, you like it now or earlier? Okay. Sama. How do I pronounce your name? Osama Khai. Wait. Guys, if you like the stream, if you learn anything new, you can just give us a thumb up, and you can share with people you think might benefit from this one. Okay, thank you. Sama Hai. Thank you for your support, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Cheers.